Good morning and welcome back. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're gonna do excuse the washer, a solo Thanksgiving vlog slash productive. My family unfortunately lives in a different state, so we don't really get to spend the holiday together. That's why my friends and I did the Friendsgiving, because that's my way of getting Thanksgiving. But today it's just me. Now, rather than sit and dwell and wallow in the fact that I'm alone, I tend to try to do things to keep me busy, and that way I don't think about it. So a lot of it today is going to be cleaning and like holiday prep, because tomorrow we do the full-blown decorations. Today I usually try to get the outside stuff taken care of, like the lights up, and then a few things in the house, like getting the fall decor down and cleaning, because I don't know if you've ever noticed when you leave decorations up for a long time, it gets very dusty underneath. So I need to do a thorough clean of the house. I'll insert here on the screen my kind of to-do list that we're going to do today. I've already started on a few things after I made coffee this morning. I got out the bins to put away the fall and Thanksgiving decor. And I did pull a couple things that were Thanksgiving that needed to be washed. Mainly the table runner that's on the coffee table, and then the pillow covers that were on these. So those are in the washer. I need to actually pull them out. They just shut off so I can air dry those. I wanted to get that done early though, because that way I can put them away later today into the bins. I did want to do a 5K today because it's supposed to be in the 60s. It's actually warm enough. But I don't know. My back's been hurting since Friendsgiving. I kind of tweaked it on a folding table. So I'm kind of weary of doing any physical activity that could jar it. But I'll take you along with my day, show you what I'm doing as we go through it. Alright, breakfast is made. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. It is gonna be very messy because of the yolk, but it's gonna be good. And I think I might put that on the parade maybe if it's on, and watch that, and then we'll get started on some of that. The next thing I kind of want to do is get the fall decor taken care of, because when I go to clean, I'm deep cleaning, like rag and spray. We're not going to use the Swiffer today because I want to get any sticky, dusty dog hair stuff off of everything before I put out Christmas decor, because obviously that'll be up for over a month and it's gonna get bad again. The parade's supposed to be on at 9. I'll probably put it on and just have it in the background. I'm not gonna like sit and blatantly watch it. I never really do. Okay, I think I got all the decor out. I need to put a blanket away. And, oh no, I forgot the cotton. Just when you think you got it all. This is why you kind of need to do a walkthrough again. The fun part's going to be trying to get it all back in to the boxes, because it might be time to add another box. I think the living room is nice and dusted now and clean. It's gonna look a little bare in here for tonight until I get the Christmas decor out, which is why I took the picture frames down off the ledge because I need that space for decorations. So actually, I'm gonna grab these real quick and move them in the office out of the way. Okay. Last thing to do is the dining room for dusting, and then I just need to finish full on vacuuming the house. A hardwood with the small vacuum. I got to get out the big one to do the rug in my bedroom and the living room, which in all honesty, I'll probably save that for last because once I put the tree up, I'm going to need to vacuum that area again. And the heavier duty vacuum works better for that. Okay, rather than show you, I'm just going to run around and vacuum real quick the wood floors. I think I just need to do the dining room, living room, and what I can of the office with all the stuff down. And then we'll probably start packing up the fall decor. At least what I can. I'll just leave out the one that I need to put the table runner on top. So I think I'll just get out the Christmas stuff and then probably I'm going to take a break and eat lunch. So this is becoming the Christmas decorating decor dump station. But I'm gonna take a break. Lunch is gonna be very simple. I actually ordered Chinese last night, which totally hit the spot because I haven't had Chinese in I don't know how long. But I have some leftovers, so I'm gonna just heat that up and we're gonna have that for lunch. All right, I kind of showed a little bit of me doing the wreaths, but I didn't show the whole thing, and I didn't show you the front porch. I gotta save some things for when we do the actual Halloween holiday decor. So we're going to work on the back porch lights, and oh, I need to get clothespins. I was just trying to think, what else do I need in this bin? I guess it's just easier to take the whole thing outside. Oh. So I need to grab some clothespins for the back door. Honestly, if you've never used these outside, they work really well on like Christmas lights around a door. If you have a lip like I do. If you don't, command hooks would probably work better. Done with the outside. The only thing I still got to do in the house is assemble the tree, add a strand of lights to it. I'm probably gonna pull the other light strand off the garland from last year because I don't want to open a new box if I don't have to, and the old garlands can be trashed because I did replace those this year. So I figure I'll pull that strand out, use that to fix up the bottom lights on the tree, and then I just need to run the vacuum, clean up all the pine needles, and do the rugs, which is precisely why I didn't vacuum yet. And that is why we waited to vacuum. All right, I'm gonna go set these out here. And I still need to readjust the fireplace, but I try to do it with the tree so I can plug in the lights before I block that. And then this I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with, because that's new this year. Well, in a turn of events, while I was trying to add that strand of lights to the tree, the lights that I thought were burnt out came back on. Apparently, they just needed a jiggle. So now I'm actually really glad I did not buy a new Christmas tree, because that would have been a waste of money. But because I already had the extra light strand already halfway in, I just finished putting it in. I was like, whatever, we'll have more light on the bottom of the tree. I am freshly showered. The only thing left to do is the Christmas cards and obviously make dinner a little bit later. The Christmas cards are done now. I just need to set them aside till I'm ready to mail. I would show you the front or the back, but there's addresses on them and I'm not going to do that. I got the oven preheating to 375. Basically, all these recipes on Pinterest was taking leftovers and layer them. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to make it in the smaller dish just so it's for me. And we're going to do it different than all the ones I've seen, because they like to use cranberries and I'm not a cranberry person. So basically I have turkey, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, gravy, and I think I might add a little extra French fried onions to it. But we're just gonna kind of layer it in this dish and bake. I apologize. I don't think it recorded me actually assembling all of that. So I basically did green bean casserole on the bottom. I cut up some turkey to put on top of that, mashed potatoes, gravy on top of that, and then I just added some more French fried onions to hopefully give it a little crunch. But I'm gonna clean up my mess. The casserole thingy, majing, whatever you want to call it, is in the oven, and it'll be in there for about 25 minutes. Don't mind the dishwasher, but I'm assuming it's done. It's bubbling pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm gonna probably watch a Christmas movie, but I'm gonna end this here, I think. But I mean, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did on my solo Thanksgiving day. Like I mentioned earlier, for me, being by myself and being away from family, it can be very hard. And so sometimes just keeping busy and moving to the next thing helps. Obviously, I did talk to my family a lot today. But I had a moment there during the day where I just wanted to cry because they're all gathered together and I'm not there. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did, how productive I was, and how I repurposed the Thanksgiving leftovers from Friendsgiving last weekend. So as always, I hope you enjoyed and I hope everybody has a blessed day.